Well, you know there's a war, and I'm here to settle the score. There's something going on across the nation. Everybody thinks there's discrimination, but there ain't. It's a taco disgration when San Antonio thinks they're the best. No, no, San Antonio, that's where Juliet and Romeo went to die. They ate a taco and fried the brains in their hearts, and you know why? Because they couldn't understand the best tacos in the land were coming from a stand in Austin in the trailer park, my friend. You know they got good stuff. It's a treat. Everything you eat, it's so discreet. Baja shrimp, you know you can't meet anything else in the world. Fajita, fajita, yeah, I get it. I understand, and I'll bet you regret it if you eat the taco in San Antonio. Everybody knows you cannot roam from home. Gotta eat a taco in Austin. You gotta try it quick, and then you're lost in a special thing that you can foster. Everybody knows the best tacos in the land are from Austin.